In this video, we will explain how to change the motor protection filter of a BVC central vacuum cleaner. Before any intervention on the central vacuum cleaner, the mains plug must be pulled out of the socket. Remove the low voltage cable. For digital machines, the two wires are disconnected at the back of the electronic box. For analog machines, the low voltage plug is pulled out of the electronics box. Remove the muffler and exhaust duct if present. Remove the dust line by removing the rubber sleeve from the suction flange. Open the two side retaining clamps of the dust container and remove the dust collector from the unit. If you use a dust filter bag, it should always be removed with both hands on the blue plastic flange. Pull horizontally against the direction of the pipe socket. Lift the central vacuum unit off the wall and place the unit upside down on a flat surface. You will now see the motor protection filter in front of you. We recommend you clean the motor protection filter annually, to blow it out with compressed air or to replace it with a new motor protection filter. A single layer motor protection filter made of cotton can only be used in combination with a dust filter bag. Otherwise, the dust can go through the cotton fabric and enter the motor compartment. Motor damage caused by a dirty, damaged, or incorrectly installed motor protection filter is excluded from warranty. To remove the motor protection filter, pull the tab on the tension spring ring towards the center. The filter comes off the seam and can be removed. Check the inside of the housing. It must be completely free of dust. Dust particles can damage the motor. We suggest cleaning the interior with a damp cloth. Form the new motor protection filter into a semicircle and insert the spring tension ring of the filter into the seam. Watch your fingers. Carefully let the last piece of the clamp ring jump into the seam. A snap sound can be heard. If you use a single layer motor protection filter made of cotton, it is now absolutely necessary to use a new dust filter bag. When using a double layer cordura or satin filter, the use of the dust bag is optional. Pull the dust container over the dust bag and press it into the machine. Fix the dust container with two lateral retaining clamps. Turn the suction unit over and hang it back on the wall bracket. Mount the dust pipe on the intake manifold and fix the connection sleeve. If available, mount the muffler and exhaust pipe on the motor cover. For digital machines, connect the wires of the low voltage cable to the connection sockets. For analog machines, plug the low voltage plug back into the socket. Plug the mains plug back into the socket and perform a functional test by switching the unit to continuous operation for a few seconds. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss a BVC video.